on my way. It shouldn't have stopped us. Lost in space and time is wasting, wishing on a star to have a friend. And finally it was there. And I'm gonna only take it one step at a time, 'cause I know that's where I'll find you. So I'm gonna follow, follow, follow the beating of my heart. It don't matter how far I go from Venus to the stars. And I am gonna find my way to fix this love, 'cause it's not that hard. See, I'm just gonna follow, follow, follow the beating of my heart back to you. These superficial issues had us fooled. We were so jaded that we somehow lost our way. It shouldn't have stopped us. Love in limbo,